Good afternoon, SteadyTrade Treats listeners. I am back with a new form of caffeine. This is actually a smoothie, but I have caffeinated protein in here. And let me tell you, this smoothie tastes delicious. Almond milk, some plain yogurt, strawberries. But anyways, none of that is important as the stimulus deal Congress just reached this weekend or end of last week. I don't remember exactly when it was. But if you haven't heard, here is what the American people will be getting under the new stimulus bill. A $600 stimulus check, which is half of what the American people got last round of stimulus, which was $1,200. But interestingly enough, the stimulus deal this time for eligible families will actually include a $600 benefit per child to those with kids. Last time I think it was $500 per kid, so a $100 increase. And on top of that, there's actually going to be funding for the vaccine as well. I'm reading here. $20 billion is going to be provided for the purchasing of vaccines to make it free of charge to those that need it, along with an additional $8 billion of distribution funding for the vaccine, which is kind of cool. And there's going to be rental assistance. There's going to be essentially people who need nutrition assistance, school assistance, and there's going to be the small business loan, which is the Paycheck Protection Program. All good stuff that the country probably needs right now. But the market is not reacting well to this. You would think, the stimulus talks have been hyped up for months. The market has been rising on the hopes of these stimulus talks and it would fall when nothing was reached. And now the stimulus is here and the market is down 2% pre-market. What does this mean? Why? So why is this? The SPY was trading at a high of $371 a share on Friday and is now trading at $363 a share. It's a 2% gap down, give or take. Why is that, right? Because we have the stimulus is here, vaccines are on the corner, blah, blah, blah. Have you ever heard of buy the rumor, sell the news? I mean, literally for about a month straight now, the SPY went from $330 a share to $371 a share. That's a 10% increase over the course of a month. Remember, investors aim for 8 to 12% a year. The SPY has been extremely, extremely, extremely volatile lately. So this buy the rumor, sell the news, as it's been hyped up for so long, it's finally here, it's finally, ready, people are going to sell. And on top of that, there's been a new strain of COVID found in some other countries across Europe, and essentially it's even more contagious than the original version of COVID. That's enough to scare a lot of people. There have been a lot of, fear-inducing articles posted online that are really scaring people. We're in a tough spot where, we have the stimulus, but probably more importantly, we have a new strain of COVID. The point is, even though the stimulus is here, the market's fallen off a little bit. Don't worry, this will probably lead to a longer-term uptrend in the market. But for now, keep it on watch. See if there are any COVID-related plays in the penny stock market. I haven't even checked my gap scans yet, but I'd have to imagine that this will help some penny stocks gain some momentum as well. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think the stimulus means for the market, whether it be penny stocks or the overall market? And will vaccine and COVID updates continue to outweigh stimulus talks? Let me know in the comments below, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday. Let's get ready for a very Merry Christmas for those of you that celebrate it. Talk to you then.